So welcome back to my Mini-ITX console build. So for the case for this build, I've been searching to find a case to buy, but Mini-ITX case, you have to buy them at a premium, like they are so expensive. So I went through my storage and I found this old case that I have. It has no panel or anything like that. So what I'm currently doing, I'm currently 3D printing a few panels for it slowly to do tests to see if it works. I'm just doing prototypes right now. So this case is so I can get that to focus. It's a Lian Li PC-Q37. Yeah, so that's the type of case it is. And I don't think they make this case anymore now. Like, it's a really old case, but it was a Mini-ITX case that was designed for water cool build, which I probably end up doing that after the whole benchmark and everything. I'll do a complete build and I'll make videos of it. But yeah, it's a nice little case. Yeah, it's dirty as hell. I did the wash on it. I'm just trying to clean it up a bit. So I'm going to use this also as a test bench and also to do the building. So it's coming along good so far. Yeah, I need to clean up a lot of stuff in this.